What brought leaders and CEOs from over 10 countries to Hangzhou? When everyone is here, you know something big is happening. Come to see how 3 days turned into a global brainstorm you never forget.
A multicultural environment is really enriching. It is a truly enriching experience, and always like being able to exchange, talk, seeing our different point of views on every topic is always a great feeling. Seeing Hangzhou having such a history, and then also being able to be relevant worldwide as an incubator and like the favorite environment for the growth of startups, of the AI technology, e-commerce. It's truly fascinating.
我还蛮喜欢杭州，因为我本身沙巴也是一个旅游的一个区域，所以从这边我就看到，我也可以向你们多多学习，把电商会发展起来。
The beauty of the Chinese e-commerce is, like how they have simplified the technology, the complex technology. They have made it very, very simple. So that is one of the major strength, because once you simplify the complex technologies, and based on that, then you scaled it up.
I felt was how the government and the private sector work together. We saw how Alibaba built this business, and how the global innovation hub that the government of Hangzhou has set up is facilitating all these manufacturers.
I just wanted to share that we have already integrated the Alipay system with Nepalese payment system. Now Chinese people can come to Nepal and make payments using their Alipay app, with which they are used to.
From theory to practice, Hangzhou has once again proven itself a living laboratory of digital innovation, where knowledge meets opportunity and ideas turn into action.
I love Hangzhou!